Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist with 6 years of field experience as an appliance repair technician, and this is what to check before calling a tech when your washing machine is leaking. If possible, it's always best to determine where the leak is coming from and to determine if it's leaking only when the washing machine is running or if it's also leaking when the washer is turned off. If you're unable to resolve the leak yourself and have to call a professional, those are some of the first things they'll want to know. Check the water inlet hoses, the hoses connecting your house's plumbing to the water valves on your washing machine, for any leaks or drips. Replace the water inlet hoses once every 3 to 5 years per your washer's installation instructions to prevent potential future leaks. Check for leaks at the drain hose. If the drain hose is leaking or damaged, that's when it's time to call an appliance repair tech. Check to see if the washing machine is draining correctly or if it's overflowing the plumbing. If water is exiting the drain hose without leaking but is then overflowing the plumbing where the drain hose is inserted, call a plumber. When your washing machine is leaking from the door, visually inspect both the door and the gasket. Clean off any hair, lint, debris, etc. that may be preventing the door from sealing. Check the door gasket for any tears, holes, etc. If the gasket is damaged, that's when it's time to call an appliance repair tech. Check the drain pump filter area if your washing machine has one, per your washer's user manual. Make sure the filter is sealing correctly and that there isn't any debris like sand or dirt that may be preventing the filter from sealing. And if the washing machine is still leaking after trying all of that's when it's time to call an appliance repair tech. The complete What to Check Before Calling a Tech washing machine troubleshooting guide, along with troubleshooting guides for dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, microwaves, and ranges, will be available at my Blink in Lio beginning January 31st, 2025.